So guys, yes, today is 21 of April and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 0.57% up at 17,234.60. Advanced stocks are 41, declines are only 6 and unchanged is 3 stocks. So you can see the market is in a positive side today at the opening. So BPL is the most gap opening stock with 1.30% up and Apollo Hospital with 1.24% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Nestle India with 0.90% down and Bajaj Auto with 0.42% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. You can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. I do upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, and also I upload like the daily live trading what we do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. To provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Short sell Bharti Airtel stock in the market level. So let's short sell now around 740.60. So let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the market is almost 0.62% up, but most of the stocks are in a downtrend today, so not giving them more support for the buy side. So that's why I decided to go sell side on Bharti Airtel stock, and let's see how it will perform. Actually, it is given a breakout at its support level, so I guess it should go down from here. So after that, it can come up by taking any good support around 737 or somewhere around there. So expecting like 4 to 5 points target in the Bharti Airtel, which is almost like 0.5% of the stock. So let's see how it will perform. We are short sold and we are waiting for it to go down. So again, it's back to 740.50 levels where we are short. So let's wait for the stock to give some of the movement here. It can take some time because the market is 0.62% up and we are to the sell side, so the movement will take some time to come, but once the movement comes, we can see some of the quick movement happening in Bharti Airtel stock. So once it reaches 4 or 5 points, we will exit and book the target. So let's see how it will perform. So this is how the market is today. Okay, so 0.16% is a stock percentage change, if you guys can see, not much. So not much of a volatile here right now, so we need to wait for it to perform. So waiting for the 740 breakout. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, now the stock has come down to 739 levels. So now you can see how quick the movement is happening. So we had to wait for this moment to get, so we have waited for more than 10 minutes, and now you can see how it is performing here. So it's bit of a quite fast movement, and the market is 0.51% up now, so 0.10% has come down. So that's why the stock also did come down. So let's exit around 4 points of target, so 738.40 now. So just let me take exit and I'll update you guys. So you guys can see the stock made a low of 736.80, so I managed to book around like 4 points target here. I short sold around 740, somewhere around there, and the stock is now back because there's some little support over there, so that's why the stock bounced back. So anyway, I took the exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Bharti Airtel. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.